me show you how to pair your QX11 smartwatch with a phone and also how to use it. So this watch actually uses this app called Glory Fit. So it's available on the Play Store and also Apple Store. So simply download it and obviously also make sure to turn on your watch. So the first time if you basically want to turn, simply press and hold this button. Also you can try to charge it if it doesn't turn on. So in the box you will see you have this magnetic charger essentially, and yeah, basically in this app you can also create account, or we can simply click this ignore, so we do not even need to create account. Then also make sure to actually go in your Bluetooth settings and make sure your Bluetooth is actually enabled. And depending on your phone, in this app you might also need to allow some settings basically. So simply allow the permissions basically for the app. For example, I have Pixel phone, so I would need to go over here and basically allow for stuff I need, for example, for notifications. So allow notifications, for also like phone access. So simply allow if something is not working. So we can also go over here and then basically we can click ignore. And next, choose your gender, here your height, so whatever you need, your weight also here, so your date of birth essentially here, and your step count goal, either Celsius or Fahrenheit, and then we'll need to pair it actually. So click select, allow permissions basically. So again, if you do not allow this, you won't be able to connect, as you see. If you allow and your Bluetooth is on, you will see this QX11, and then simply like lightly press on it, and basically yeah, it's already done, as you see. Also make sure to allow your access to like phone calls. So again, this watch can also make phone calls. And if you want to allow app notifications, so if you aren't receiving some notifications or apps, make sure to go over here, app reminder, over here, enable it, find your basically this Glory Fit, allow notification access, then go back over here and simply select the apps you want to actually receive notifications from. So you actually have to go over here. So simply browse through the different apps and select from which ones you want to receive the notifications over here. Also we can manage more settings, and also we can basically like upload more watch face send over. So simply click on any of the watch face and you'll be able to like click this button to send it over essentially. And if you click over here on the home, you can see your history for steps and stuff like that. Also you can start exercise here, and yeah, various other things. So on this watch, essentially you obviously have to install your straps. I'll show you basically as it is. So on the watch, if you swipe down, as you see, you can get access to your quick notifications, quick settings essentially to enable some things over here. Also we can use this button to essentially go home. And also if you swipe like this, you can bring up your last used settings over here and various other things. If you swipe up, you can get access to your notifications, also SMS, for example, like WhatsApp notifications as well. If you swipe like this, you can get access to your, like, basically these tiles where you can see your various data fields. Also we can call, check heart rate, also weather information. As you see, this watch is actually very advanced. We can also control our music, and obviously since this also has a speaker, we can also play music on loudspeaker, and we can add more stuff, so such as sleep or blood oxygen. So again, simply press this if you want to go back to the main essentially. And in the main, if we press the button, we can also bring up more things here, as you can see. So you can access your phone. So you can simply like click dial, and basically the call will get routed through your phone and you'll be able to call someone essentially. So we have like this exercise. So if you want to start tracking exercise, simply go here and select which exercise you want to. Also basically if at any time you press this button, the lower button, it also will bring up these exercises. So blood oxygen, sleep, music, weather, alarm clocks, we can set also alarms, assistant. So this is simply like whatever assistant you have on your phone, such as Google Assistant or Siri. If you have that, SOS, you can also contact someone in emergency. So we even have games here as well that you can play. And also we have stopwatch, timer, find my phone, flashlight, calculator, and stuff like that. So all of this watch is, I think it's totally loaded. And also the sound quality also is actually fairly decent for such priced watch actually. And yeah, the best part about this watch actually is the price of it. Personally, I've only paid around $16 for mine, so I'll leave a link where you can get it for the cheapest price, so on AliExpress, and also I'll leave a link on Temu. So it's similar price, maybe slightly cheaper over here on the AliExpress. So for this price, it's absolutely insane. So basically check the description. I'll leave a link to the AliExpress and Temu listings, the cheapest ones you can get basically for this exact model. Again, there are similar watches that look similar, but again, out of all these, this has the best build quality, best software, and again, it's actually a superb watch. Anyway, good luck.